friend Sharon. I have a gift card holder for you today, and you're in for a surprise, so I hope you enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. You are invited to hit the subscribe button below and then hit the notification bell. You'll be notified the next time I upload a video. I love teaching fun folds, gift card holders, tips and tricks to help you with your paper crafting. Let's get started. A card that is a gift card holder. Look how cute that is, okay? And originally on the video, I was going to just make this one using the Gather Together stamp set. And then I decided, nope. We're gonna use some paper with copper. I love the Brightly Gleaming bundle or suite. I love the stamp set, love the punches, and y'all know I love the paper because it has copper in it. You know, when you're stamping and you start cutting up this paper, you end up with bits and pieces, and you're like, what in the world am I gonna do with that? I think this project helped me use up some of those bits and pieces. So I have everything ready. My Night of Navy is 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. I will have the downloadable directions in the description box below if you want to grab them. I have a layer of Very Vanilla that is 4 inches by 5 1/4. I have these two are going to layer together. My Night of Navy is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4, and my Designer Series paper is 3 inches by 4 inches. Then I have another layer of Night of Navy, and this measures 4 inches by 3 1/4. My Designer Series paper measures 3 3/4 by 3. And then I have another piece that is 2 1/2 by 4. And then I have a little strip that is 1 inch by 4 inches. Lots of pieces, so you may want that download. Okay, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna start with the bottom part first, which is the inside. And what we're gonna need for this is some tear and tape. And I practice what I preach. There's always 2 sides to a piece of paper, but if you mess up and can't fix it, then you go get another piece, which is what I did. So we want a skinny little strip. And the reason I'm using tear and tape is the fact that there's going to be a gift card insert inside. So we need to have this as strong adhesive as possible. And I'm going to take my 1 1/2 inch circle punch, and I'm going to punch over here on the side. We're going to burnish, which means rub that adhesive into that cardstock. We don't want it to pop off, and we want this part to go faster, getting the backing off. I recommend that you come at it at an angle like this, whether you're using snips or a paper piercer, because if you come at it like this, it's just too hard. Paper crafting shouldn't be hard, right? It should be easy. Okay. And that is sticky, so make sure you get it where you want it. Next, we're going to adhere these 2 layers together. This is going to be what holds the gift card, like this, okay? And before we add them though, we're gonna add a little piece of ribbon, and I'm using the Metallic Edge Very Vanilla. We're just gonna take this and fold it. And because we're gonna be pulling on it, we're gonna go ahead and add a piece of tear and tape. to hold that. We don't need it all the way around. We're going to use some snail for the rest of it. And technically, I probably should have put my adhesive on here, the snail, but it worked. We're good. And sometimes when I'm making videos, I get ahead of myself. It's because I get excited. I mean, I get excited anyway when I'm paper crafting, but when I know that I'm teaching other crafters, it just makes me happy. I really think that this year I am going to be getting my family gift cards or cash. My family has grown so much. I'm so blessed. I have 5 children who are all married. And I have 9 grandkids. So it's hard to shop. All right, so we're gonna take this layer, and this is our 2.5 by 4. And we're gonna make sure we put it on the right side. Make sure we're in the camera. Okay, and then we're going to adhere these 2 layers together. Next, we're going to form a little pocket to hold our gift card. Fun, huh? Okay, we just need a little piece of tear and tape. And then we're going to put this at the very bottom. Making sure that we're lined up, because once we let go, that's it. You could add another glue dot on the back if you wanted to. However, it's pretty snug. Pretty cute, huh? So now you have 2 ideas. You're going to have the one for Thanksgiving, which I don't typically give. You just don't know what they like or anything like that. So I knew what they liked when they were little, but now they're adults. I don't typically give gift cards at Thanksgiving, but you could. All right, so for this layer, we want to just add, I had it right the first time. We want to just add adhesive on this side because we don't want to do the whole thing, right? Because we'll glue the card shut. So holding my finger right here, I know that I want adhesive on this side only. Okay, I have a piece of scrap. We're going to stamp our sentiment. I'm going to stamp about right there because I'm going to cut this out with the stitched rectangle dies. I love the stitched rectangle dies because it looks like I have a little layer there. I don't know, it just gives that illusion. So I think we're going to add it right in the center. Yep, we're going to do it right in the center. Next, we're going to add some copper stars. Since there's stars in our paper, I thought it would be cute. So whether it's Thanksgiving, Christmas, birthdays, graduations, you've got it. A fun gift card holder. I really think that I'm going to make up all of these for my family for Christmas. You know, as I said on the video, they get older. I have no idea what they want, but money is always good, or a gift card. Happy stamping, y'all.